So friends, in my previous video you have seen Excel automatic sequence and sorting using this very complex formula. Now in this formula, as I told you, these are the functions, individual functions which are nested and getting the result, right? If you have not seen that video, please go and see that video. Now this complex formula which involves these are the function, 8 functions, we are just going to learn individual functions, how it is working. As a beginner, let us not worry about this let now. So the second function is filter, which I am going to explain now. How the filter is going to work. So the filter is going to work in this example, we'll just try to understand. The names are there, marks obtained by the students are there. Rahul obtained 85, Seema 70, Anita 75, Raj 30 and Karan 95 marks. So in this particular area, this I'll just highlight it with red color here, fill it with red color, and I'll give the font color in white color so that you will be able to see the area very clearly, right? Now in this schema you are seeing here. So in this schema, what is the formula we have entered? You can just see in the bottom, equal to filter. So we are explaining about the filter function, right? And there is a range. The first functional argument is a range we have to give. What is this range? This range is the range where the data is available. Our data available from A2, where the Rahul is there, no? From A2 to B6. That's what it is indicated here. So from this table range, and what is the next one? This is the include. So if you see the syntax here, I will explain here, equal to filter, and array should be given, which is a range. Include is also a particular range from where we need to find out the lookup value what is entered here. So this is the lookup value. We are asking the system to find the condition whatever you have entered here using this filter condition. Okay. Then B2 to B6 equal to 70 is the include. That is the condition we are saying, right? So B2 to B6 is what? B2 we have 85, B3 70 and so on. So B2 to B6 we have, these are the data. So wherever it is equal to 70, those data only select it and bring the entire data from A2 to B6. That's what we are saying. So A2 to B6, if you see here where the 70 is coming, it is in A3 and B3. So this data is now appearing here as A3 and B3. And next one in the syntax is, you have discussed about array, you have discussed about include, that is a condition. And if that particular condition is not met, what is the output you should get? And this is if underscore empty is given within square bracket. Within square bracket, if it is given in any of the Excel function, that particular argument is optional. You can give or we can omit also. If you don't give, then what will happen I will explain later. But if it is not 70 here, 70 is the data not available here, then no one got equal to 70. Like that we have to give the message. So if we are seeing that in this area 70 mark is got by Seema, isn't it? So what I'll do, this 70 I'll make it as 71. And what is happening in this area now where with the filter function is centered in B10, we are getting the B10, you just see this filter equal to A2 B6 and comma B2 B6 equal to 70. No one got 70. So this area now we have got this data as no one got 70 because there is no data matching with 70 here, isn't it? Right. So if you change this thing to something else, no data. If you type it, then the system will say this no data also there. Actually, the text should be given in within the parentheses. No data has come here, right? So this is how the filter function is explained here. One more example we'll just see here. So I'll just change this to 75 to 70 now. So what should be the output here? In this B10 area, we will be getting this particular 2 cells are getting filled. It is not only B10 and C10, also we are getting the data, right? That means we are entering the formula in only one cell B10, whereas we are getting the data in this thing B10 and C10, because we have given the range here as, what is the range we have given here? We need to get the data from column A and column B, wherever this data from B2 to B6 is matching with 70, right? So we are getting this data here. So this is how the filter function can be used. Thank you very much for watching this video. Take care. Bye.